Welcome to Sheikh Zayed Islamic Center, University of Karachi. In this video, you will see Pakistan's first online Quran tutoring center, the first of its kind, which is certified by Karachi University. This is the joint project by Sheikh Zayed Islamic Center as well as in technical collaboration with Educate. In this video, you will see its different sections, that how our call center works, how tutoring is done, and also views from our well-trained tutors. What we have done, we have tried to build up this concept that how can technology assist our Quran tutors and support them by making them teach in a proper format and proper way. So students can access their training and get trained on their mobile phones, tablets, laptop from wherever they are. Students can also get recording of their lessons for revision. All of these things make online learning a good option for students, especially for those who want to balance their work and family commitments. The Prophet, peace be upon him, said, "The most superior among you are those who learn Quran and teach it." Thus, the importance of learning Quran is evident.
उसके अंदर फिर मुझे महसूस नहीं हुआ, बाकी आपने सही पढ़ा। तो इस आयत को दोबारा एक दफ़ा पढ़िए, इन निशानियाँ का तो माशा। अच्छा मेरे साथ एक दफ़ा पढ़िए, हुवल अब तब
मसा
तब तब तब
मसद आगे वक्त
हुवल अब तब।
मसद नून ज़बरना
इसको पूछना प्रैक्टिस करें ताकि आपका हो।
को हम इतना नहीं खींचेंगे, ठीक है। कौसीन यासीन ज़ाल ज़ो नहीं, वाव की आवाज़ नहीं आएगी, ज़ो नहीं पढ़ेंगे हम इसे, ज़ो पढ़ा जाएगा, ठीक है जी। ता को दोबारा पढ़िए, नहीं बारीक पढ़िए बेटा, मोटा नहीं पढ़ा जाएगा। ता स्वा नहीं, ता दाल वो ज़ो
ومن الناس من يقول آمنا بالله وباليوم الآخر وما هم بمؤمنين يخادعون الله والذين آمنوا وما يخدعون إلا أنفسهم وما يشعرون.
I'm Anas Ahmed and I am a student of Sheikh Zayed Islamic Center, BS Islamic Studies with Computer Technology, and as well I have completed MA Islamic Studies from Wifaq al-Madaris Arabiya. Well, I first of all I would like to thank Sheikh Zayed Islamic Center and of course Educast who made great effort for online teaching. Before this course, I have no idea, no experience about online teaching, but now I can say that I can teach online through this modern technology. And this course, this online teaching is effective for those who cannot come or cannot go or cannot conduct classes to any individual teacher or any center, so they can take classes in their homes and by internet, through internet. So this is great effort from EduCast collaboration with Sheikh Islamic Center. That's all.
I am Vesuddin Shamsi and I did job in Generation School as library assistant, and I did online Quran teacher from Sheikh Zayed Islamic Center, Karachi University. And first of all, I would like to thank the management of the Karachi Sheikh Zayed Islamic Center, Karachi University, and of course EduCast. Because of them, now I am able to teach online Quran teaching in an effective manner. And online tutoring as online teaching is very effective for those who are not able to go any center anywhere to learn Quran.
From Karachi, and I have done masters from Sin University, and I have been teaching at Jamia Umar. As I read the aid for teaching online at Sheikh Zayed Center, I was pleased to read this advertisement, and I came here, applied, and I was pleased to hear this news, and I told about this to my friends as well. And I think it is a great step that has been taken by Sheikh Zayed Center, because online teaching is a great step and an effective way for teaching. And because there are some people who cannot go anywhere because of some reasons, and it is a good way for them to learn online. In this way they can save their time, and they can learn, and it's an effective way as well, and this is a good way.
I'm Rija Suhail. I have done my inter, then I have completed my 3 years of Alma course, and I know how to talk in Arabic. And then I have completed my online Quran teaching course from Sheikh Zayed Islamic Center, Karachi University, and I am teacher, and I just want to tell you all people that it is very beneficial and very important for the ladies who are not allowed to come out from the houses, or due to their parda they are not allowed to learn the Quran from the institutes. They can join they can learn Quran online from Skype or from any other source. It is very important and very beneficial, and I think that girls should come out for this opportunity and should learn Quran and teach Quran. Thank you.
I am Sana Altaf, and I am Master in Islamic Studies and Arabic, and I completed Quran online tutoring course from Sheikh Zayed Islamic Center. और एज आ ऑनलाइन कुरान टीचर मैं इस बात को पसंद करती हूँ कि मैं आपको बताऊँ कि ऑनलाइन कुरान ट्यूटरिंग कितना ज़्यादा इफ़ेक्टिव है उन ख़वातीन के लिए जो किसी भी वजह से अपने तजवीद से कुरान नहीं पढ़ सकें या कुरान की तालीम हासिल नहीं कर सकें। और कुरान ऑनलाइन ट्यूटरिंग एक ऐसा तरीक़ा है जिससे वो ख़वातीन जो कि अपने घर बैठे कुरान की तालीम हासिल करना चाहती हैं वो हासिल कर सकती हैं, और वो बच्चियां भी जो कि किसी भी वजह से मदरसे या किसी इदारे में जाकर तालीम हासिल नहीं कर सकती।
Amna Aziz Khan. I am a student of pre-engineering, and now I have completed my online Quran teaching course from Sheikh Zayed Islamic Center, Karachi University, and now I am also teaching as a female tutor there. And I feel that being a teacher, female tutor, for those who are not able to come at any institute or not allowed to learn from any other person, are able to learn Quran now at their homes. So it's very easy and beneficial for them.
My name is Navishatna. I have completed my masters from Karachi University, and I am also 6 years Alma course. I have completed my 6 years Alma course. As a female instructor, I have completed my certificate in Islamic Institute.
Assalamualaikum. My name is Safiya Kazi. I have done master in Sheikh Zayed Islamic Center in Islamic Studies with computer technology. Nowadays, I am teaching as a computer teacher as Taqwa Model College. I want to tell about the online teaching. Online teaching is very benefit for all the women who are unable to out from the home and learning the Quran and willing to learn Quran. So she can do learning Quran by online.
Assalamualaikum. I am Mariam Wazir, and I am doing my masters in HR in HR management. I did my course, online Quran teaching course from SIC, Sheikh Zayed Islamic Center, with the cooperation of Educast, and I learned a lot here. It's basically an online teaching Quran teaching program in which female can teach at their home with other females. It's not they don't have that boundary that they have to go outside from the home and they have to teach there at their home. It's very easy that they can teach. They just need the internet connection and just the computer, PC, and then laptop, and then they can teach online with the whiteboard.
Assalamu alaikum. My name is Farhat Fatma Khan, and I have completed my master's from Karachi University in Agriculture and Agribusiness Management, and also I have completed my online Quran tutoring from Sheikh Zayed University. And after getting this tutoring and training, I just felt for the as a female instructor, I just felt the persons who are sitting at their homes and are not able to come at any reasons, they can get the information about the Quran, and they can get and they can know how we can learn about the Quran, and we can get more information. And the persons who are having the teaching about the Quran, regarding Quran, they can also come outside for the persons who are not illiterate, and they can also give the education about the Islam and Quran. Thank you.
अपने मुंह को गोल करके पढ़िए से वाओ वाओ। आगे पढ़िए हाँ जी हमजा
So, this was a brief video to our facility. Now, inshallah, we are soon launching our services for North America, UK, and Europe. Please drop in your comments at learnquran@szic.edu.pk or visit our website, which is www.szic.edu.pk. Do let us know how you find our project. We value your feedbacks. Thank you.